In this short video we will show the Dehum Damp Pro 20 at work. For this display we placed an ordinary kitchen jug inside an airtight ½ metre cubic perspex box. We then boiled the jug to get a relative humidity level of over 95%. Then we turned the Damp Pro 20 on. The condensation on the inside of the box replicates the inside of windows in your house where condensation and damp may be an issue. Watch as the Damp Pro 20 takes the relative humidity level from over 95% to 29% in a very short space of time. See how it cleared up the box. If you experience condensation, damp, mould or musty air, check out dehum.com.au or call us on 1300 137 115 to speak to someone about the right solution for you.